This is not the first time we cover the Stop Deja Vu ransomware family. Igvm Ransomware is another addition to the group, and like other ransomware variants, it mostly spreads via unreliable downloads, phishing emails, and questionable advertising content, among other methods. Igvm Ransomware's owners seek to extort funds from victims by locking their critical data and then demanding a ransom payment in exchange for a file decryptor. The affected data can be almost any file type, including photos, music, documents, and videos. Igvm Ransomware appends affected files with the IGVM suffix and drops a ransom note on the user's desktop in the form of the readme.txt document. The ransom note, which asks the victim to pay $490 for file decryption, also provides the victim with contact information to communicate and ask hackers any questions. When victims try to contact the criminals through the emails given in the ransom note, such as helpteam@mail.ch and helpmanager@airmail.cc, they are advised to send one file to the attackers and have it decrypted for free as proof that the hackers can unlock the victim's files upon the ransom payment. The addresses can also be used to communicate with the perpetrators, but this is not advisable. They will not help you for free, and paying does not guarantee that you will ultimately see your files decrypted or even receive any decryption tools. The Igvm ransom note reads as follows: "Attention, don't worry, you can return all your files. All your files like pictures, databases, documents, and other important are encrypted with strongest encryption and unique key. The only method of recovering files is to purchase the decrypt tool and unique key for you. This software will decrypt all your encrypted files. What guarantees you have? You can send one of your encrypted file from your PC and we decrypt it for free. But we can only decrypt one file for free. File must not contain valuable information. Price of private key and decrypt software is $980. Discount 50% available if you contact us first 72 hours. That's price for you is $490. In the event of a ransomware attack, it is advised to keep backups of your valuable files that can easily be re-uploaded to another device. Also, it is strongly recommended that you employ a reputable anti-malware tool to remove Igvm ransomware from your system. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.